We are here in Tinderet, Nandi County, to treat the community courtesy of the national government.
Very many people have been rescued, they've been helped, and they've got a lot of medical advices, and also they've been treated so far.
Magoti huwa inaniuma na inavimbanga. Joints. Zinaniuma kabisa, mabega, joints hizi za mikono. Hata niko na pressure. Sasa nilipopimiwa niliambiwa niko na arthritis. Nimetibiwa kila hospitali, nimeenda General, nimelaziwa huko.
We are also here to do preventative measures. There is the doctor's consultation, there is the triage, there is the lab, there is the X-ray, and also the dental. And one thing has turned out for me, I'm in the PETALS, which is the Women's Health Department. I have seen so many women come, gather, ask questions, and also take up things like cervical cancer screening, and also they've asked a lot when it comes to family planning and contraceptive.
Nimeenda hata mahadi huko Homa Bay County, hospitali ingine iko huko. Nimeenda hata huko Kisumu County, kuna hospitali ingine inaitwa St. Monica, huko nimelasiwa. Nimepimiwa, nimefanyiwa test, sasa hivi nimepatiwa madawa. Najua nikienda nikimeza nitakuwa na tofauti.
We had a Thanksgiving and Prayers Day for our schools, junior schools, and the Form 4s. And it has been of great help to our children too, and our parents. They've been enlightened about the progress of our schools, of our health centers, but specifically our schools.
As Zuri Health, we have also partnered with other health providers like Beyond Zero and also Aga Khan to just see what more women towards doing their cancer screening. From this camp, I have seen that people now are aware of their numbers or their readings when it comes to their BP, when it comes to their BMI, and also when it comes to their sexual reproductive health. Women are encouraged to do their cervical cancer screening so that they can know the status of where they stand.
Zuri Health yenye imetuletea matibabu hapa, nawaambia shukrani. Tena nina wapongezi sana kwa sababu ukienda kwa hospitali mpaka ulipe pesa ndio utibiwe, ndio upatiwe madawa. Lakini ninaambia hata serikali yenye imeorganize hii waendelee tu hivyo, watusaidie sisi wenye wako walemavu hatuwezi kama wakati wa leo hivi. Ninawapigia asante.